Have you ever seen some round, dark purple berries like these and thought to yourself, gee, these look tasty, I should eat one?
Well, you shouldn't eat one. They're extremely poisonous. These berries come off a plant called buckthorn, a widespread invasive species in the Midwest. This plant can also be referred to as common buckthorn or European buckthorn, but we will just be referring to it as buckthorn.
This plant has a major ecological and economic impact. It grows its leaves much earlier in the growing season, outcompeting other native plants for sunlight. It also releases a chemical that harms the soil around it.
Buckthorn is also a host to soybean aphids, which can do damage to crops such as soybeans and other vegetables. It also populates hiking trails, making them harder to move through and reduce their aesthetic value. Buckthorn also has a laxative effect on the animals that eat it, so it spreads rapidly.
You can do your part to help control the spread of this invasive plant by contacting your state Department of Natural Resources. Or you can take matters into your own hands and cut it down yourself and use chemicals that keep it from growing back. But how can I take steps to control it if I don't know what it looks like?
Buckthorn is a fairly simple plant to identify. It has clusters of dark purple berries on its branches. It has small thorns and buds on the ends of its twigs. It has an oval-shaped leaves with small teeth on the edges. So if you see a plant that looks like this, take one of the steps stated earlier.
In summary, buckthorn is a widespread invasive species in the Midwest. It has a major ecological and economic impact on the environment. It spreads fast, so be sure to make an effort to control it if you can.
If you see some buckthorn in your environment, be sure to do something about it. You may not realize it, but you are helping the environment a lot if you do.